The tutorial you are watching is going to be teaching you reflections and rotations in math with a graph. Reflections are when you reflect across a certain axis. Here, the question says, reflect across the y-axis, then the x-axis. Then, give the coordinates of a prime, b prime, and c prime. So, to reflect across this axis, we're going to need to copy the same figure into the first quadrant. So, we do here, 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 and here. These are the new points where you would write your letters. The new letters are B prime, A prime, D prime, and C prime. Here is a much neater version of what you saw in the before slide. Now, we reflect across the x-axis. The x-axis is the horizontal line on the graph. To reflect across the x-axis the new points will be here, 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 and here. The new letters would be D double prime, C double prime, B double prime, and A double prime. The new coordinates for these are A, 4, negative 5, B, 1, negative 5, C, 5, negative 2, and D, 0, negative 2. On to rotations. So, to rotate means to rotate a figure around a certain point. The question asks, rotate clockwise around 180 degrees around the origin. The origin is 0, 0, or point 0, 0. So, to rotate 90 degrees would mean to rotate into the next quadrant over, in clockwise. So, we are not rotating 90 degrees, but we are rotating 180 degrees, which would be here, then here. The new coordinates of your new figure in quadrant 4 are A, 1, negative 5, B, 5, negative 5, D, 1, negative 2, and C, 5, negative 1. Here are the two math standards I believe fit my work well. I chose logic and reasoning because you need to use logic for your intuition to figure out the reflections and rotations of the figures. I chose attend to precision also because you should review all calculations to determine if you made a mistake in your problem and put your figure in the wrong quadrant or reflected it across the wrong axis.